it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another gift guide, and this is my small business gift guide. I love shopping different small businesses, and I feel like there are so many out there that just don't get the representation and credit that they really deserve. So I wanted to highlight some of my favorites today. I will be highlighting a bunch of different stores, some Etsy shops, as well as some Amazon products that are from small businesses. I'm super excited to dive in, so let's go ahead and get started. First gift that I want to share is something that I mentioned in my DIY gifts video. I will leave that up in the cards in case you missed it, and it is magicmind. I love magicmind. They reached out to me and sent me some of their bottles to try, and I've been loving it. It's so refreshing in the morning, and I notice that I feel a lot more awake, calm, productive, and less anxious. I absolutely love it. I feel like it's a really good alternative to caffeine for me, and it tastes really good. As I shared in that video, I just mix it with some hot water and some honey, and I love it. I feel like this would be a really good gift for anyone in your life who needs to be super productive or is maybe just looking for an alternative to caffeine that's a bit healthier. Everything that magicmind does is amazing, and I just really love them. I think it would be such a good gift idea for somebody in your life. Then I wanted to share what I am wearing, and it is my anxious sweatshirt from See the Way I See. I love this brand and I love this sweatshirt. It's so cozy, and as somebody who has a really bad anxiety, it's really nice to see a brand that's really promoting being proud of your mental health and your progress that you're making while still finding very fun ways to incorporate it. I absolutely love this company. She sells out super quickly because she is a small business, but definitely check out her store because she has lots of keychains and stickers that would make really great gifts for anyone in your life who loves to promote healthy mental health. Then I wanted to just share a couple other stores that I think are fantastic places to look for gifts. The first is Honoring the Sacred. I love this company. I actually personally know the owner, and she is just a gem. I love her products. She makes the highest quality jewelry. The pieces are stunning and are handmade by her. I cannot recommend them highly enough. I'll link her entire website down below, but I have to highlight this beautiful ocean rat bracelet. I think this is just absolutely stunning. She has something on her store for absolutely everybody, and anyone that receives it, I know is absolutely gonna love it. Then we have a candle company, which is Wax and Wit. I love this company. You can find their products on Amazon or on their website. I'll leave links for both down below. They have some of the funniest and best smelling candles. They also have some normal looking ones, but I love the funny ones. They are so high quality and the scents are so nice. They're made with really high quality ingredients that don't give me a headache and just look fantastic. Then I wanted to move on to some Etsy shops specifically. First, I wanted to mention that I actually do have an Etsy shop myself. I'll leave it linked down below. It's called Bad Be Goods. I haven't done a ton with it right now. I just have some digital downloads of Pokemon drawings. I really have so much fun with this. You can check out my store, but there are tons on Etsy. Another product that I want to highlight from Etsy is this pet portrait. I actually got this for my dad for Christmas this year, and it turned out so beautiful. All you do is just submit a picture of your pet or the recipient's pet, and they get to work making this beautiful portrait. I think this is so pretty, and it's very thoughtful too. Another gift that is perfect for a pet lover is this sweatshirt. You can also get a t-shirt or a long sleeve, and it has the dog ears of your dog as well as their name. I think this is so cute, especially if they have a dog that has some very unique looking ears. I think they would just absolutely love this. Then I wanted to share 2 candles from Etsy that I absolutely love. The first is this high noon candle. I actually got another candle from them and they have so many amazing scents. You can get these in tons of different bottle options. You can get Crown Royale, you can get Jägermeister, you can get tons. So anything that your recipient would absolutely love. I think this is so fun, and the scents are not like the alcohol. You can actually just pick a regular scent that they like. Another candle that I bought this year is this candle that is a Starbucks cup. Comes in a Frappuccino bottle and it comes in a couple different scents. I got the mocha one and it smells so good. I actually picked it up locally because the woman who makes them is not that far away from me and she was so incredibly sweet. I love the candle and I know that my boyfriend is going to love it when he gets it. Another gift for the Starbucks lover in your life would be this set of bath bombs. They come in the traditional looking Starbucks cups that are super trendy, and I think they're so beautiful and high quality. This company actually does have a ton of other options. I've been really eyeing these Pokemon ones. I think they're so fun, but they have everything under the sun and they're a really great price. They're super high quality and they just look absolutely beautiful. This gift is so cute and I feel like it's such a meaningful gift to get. This is a personalized message blanket. You can get it printed with any message that you want in the handwriting, and I think it's just so beautiful. This would be a great gift for a grandparent or somebody that lives really far away and maybe doesn't get to connect with the family as much as they'd like. It looks like a super high quality blanket too. I love this. Then we have these super beautiful stained glass agave pieces. I think these are gorgeous, and if you have a plant lover in your life or maybe somebody who likes plants but can't keep them alive, that's definitely me. I think these would be so nice to give. They're so pretty and I feel like they would reflect the light in a way that just creates a beautiful ambiance for their house. I love these. Another gift that's very aesthetically pleasing is this affirmation cup. I think this would be really good for anybody who's really been working on their mental health this year or could just use a little bit of a boost. I absolutely love this and I think it would be a very fun but meaningful gift to give. Then I wanted to move on to some things that you can actually get on Amazon. If you didn't know, Amazon does actually have a small business section where they highlight a lot of small businesses that are sold on there. Wax and Wit is actually one of those companies that is on there, and I love that you have the option of being able to buy a small business product while still getting the really fast shipping. I think it's just fantastic. So here are some of my favorite products that you can get on Amazon. First, I wanted to start with a bunch of pet gifts because I feel like this is really where I've seen the best products. The first is this pet nose keychain. I think this is so cute. I would love to get this as a gift. I feel like it is just so sweet and sentimental, and I feel like it's really, really nice for somebody to get to carry a little piece of their pet wherever they go. I love it. Then we have these pet lover PJs. I think these are so cute. They come in tons of different breeds, so you can for sure find the one that your recipient has. The reviews say they're super, super soft and they come in tons of different sizes, so you'll be sure to be able to get them for anyone in your life. This one is definitely more practical for a pet owner in your life, and it is this brush that you use while you're giving them a bath. I think this is such a great product and so well designed. It's definitely more of a fun, practical gift, but I feel like they would really love to get it. Lastly, for the pet gifts on Amazon, I wanted to highlight a subscription box. If you didn't know, you can actually get some subscription boxes through Amazon, and this one looks so good. It is the Pup Mom Crate, and it is full of tons of different products, both for the pet and the pet mom. I absolutely love this, and I feel like it would be such a nice gift to receive. I wanted to share this just because I think it's so cute and would make a really great stocking stuffer, and it is this Nana hat. I think this is just so funny. It helps to keep your bananas fresh, and it comes in a ton of different options. I really love the monkey. I think it's so cute. I think this would be such a fun stocking stuffer. Then I wanted to share two very personalized gifts. The first is this moon phase necklace that's based on the time and date of the person's birth. I think this is so pretty, especially for somebody who's really into the moon and maybe astrology. It's just super pretty and it really shows a very special part of somebody's life. I think this is just very meaningful. If you maybe don't know the time that somebody was born, you could also get this jewelry organizer that has their name and their birth flower. Even if that's not something that they're super into, this is just a very beautiful gift. I feel like this would also be really good for bridesmaids or even for a new bride-to-be. I think this is so pretty and it comes in a ton of different color options as well. The last thing I wanted to share is something that I actually received. I didn't get this exact one, but I love the one that I have, and I think this one looks so good too. This is an extra large picnic blanket. I think giving a picnic blanket gives somebody a really great excuse to get out of the house and go enjoy some time in nature. This one comes in tons of different colors and patterns, and it's super easy to fold back up and carry on the go. This would be a really good gift for a family or maybe a couple or anybody who really likes outdoor concerts, festivals, going to the beach, anything like that. I feel like they get a lot of great use out of it. So that was everything that I have to share with you today. I feel like there are some really fun gift ideas on there. Definitely check the links down below so you can get anything that you want, and check out my Pinterest board where I have even more options. I'd love if you could comment what your favorite small business is so that I can check it out and everybody in the comments can see the amazing small businesses that are throughout the world. Highly recommend trying out Magic Mind too. It's something that I think anyone would love, especially yourself. I think this is a really great thing going into the new year to have, and I know you're gonna absolutely love it. And don't forget, if you don't, they do have a 100% money back guarantee, so definitely check out my link and code down below to give it a try. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to come hang out with me. I really, really appreciate you being here and would love if you would stick around and subscribe so you don't miss when I have another upload. I have so much fun content coming your way, so I'd love for you to be here. If you do, I will see you in the next one, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!